Before we do that, I just want to jump into the administration real quick because I want to talk about permissions and reinforce the permission system in CalPEATS, which is pretty rich. So if I take a look at a role, right? So for example, we don't have any investigator roles in here, but if I wanted to construct an investigator role, there's a long laundry list of permissions that can be individually assigned. And the last word kind of tells you, which component it belongs to. I don't know why this one's at the top, probably because of some test sort order number that's incorrect. But there's a whole section on investigations. So take, for example, view in progress investigation. If I don't have the permission view in progress investigation, then I can't open any investigations at all. And I don't mean open as in start. I mean I can't open them on the screen and look at them. And the permissions are set up to be basically an operation, a status, and a record type. So, I might be able to open closed investigation, not open. I might be able to look at closed investigations, but not in progress investigations, right? Or I might be able to, for example, edit an in progress investigation, but I can't delete one. So when we open this up to you, because San Diego is one of the counties that's larger and has more organization in it, we're going to want to take a careful look at these permissions and construct some user roles that make sense for how you organize your work and what you expect different people with different amounts of experience to do. Okay? Now, I'm not going to sit here and go through all these right now because there's a lot of them. There's investigations, there's enforcement response, there's decision reports, all the violation notices, that ability to change Pramer month for investigations and for enforcement response actions, the instant NOVs, all of that goes into making sure that people can do what they're supposed to do and they can't do what they're not supposed to do. So just wanted to make you aware that there's there's a lot of flexibility in setting it up administratively before we necessarily unleash it. We have a role that we call the Glass, thinking about John Glass and the farmer, cracking up now. But that has all the permissions. So when I set your accounts up in the test system, I'm going to be assigning all of you the Glass role, which is a role that just has all the permissions. So you won't be restricted from anything. But as you go through and you think about opening up accounts and starting to do this in production, just put your mind to it and we'll figure out what makes sense in terms of user roles for you. And this administration screen isn't just for Calico users, that your county administrators have this administration screen. So if you change your mind over time or you want to make it more open or more closed, that's totally your call.